Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ConvertKit from your WordPress WooCommerce site, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left-hand sidebar. Locate the installed plugins option and click on it. Scroll through the list of plugins until you find ConvertKit. Once you find ConvertKit, click on the deactivate link below the plugin name. Wait for the page to refresh after deactivation. After deactivation, an option to delete will appear below the ConvertKit plugin. Click on the delete link to remove the plugin completely. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure. Confirm the deletion to proceed. Next, navigate to your WooCommerce settings. Click on WooCommerce in the left-hand sidebar. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the Integrations tab. Check if there are any ConvertKit settings still listed. If ConvertKit settings are present, remove any API keys or integration settings. Scroll down and save changes to ensure all updates are applied. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Settings and then General. Look for any leftover ConvertKit settings in this area. Remove them if you find any and save your changes. Next, check your themes files for any ConvertKit related code. If you find code snippets related to ConvertKit, remove them carefully. Finally, clear your WordPress cache if you are using a caching plugin. Review your website to ensure that all ConvertKit features are completely removed. Your WooCommerce site is now free of ConvertKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.